Hi everyone. So this is what you'll be doing in Desmos. We have your welcome screen here. Today you're going to be writing some color sight words and you're going to draw a picture to go along with your writing. So today is all about letter formation and just making that picture match your words. Okay, so here are the color words. You can see what they look like on the lines. And I want you to try your best to make your words look like this when you're writing in Desmos. Okay, so you're just going to write here. It says, I would have I'm going to put yellow here. If I were a scarecrow, I would have a yellow hat. And then the next sentence, I would have a blue shirt. You can see my letters aren't the best, and that's okay. I would have green, and you can't see it on this recording, but it says pants. Okay? There you go. And then you're going to go to the next page and draw yourself as a scarecrow. Now, the limitation in Desmos is we don't have very many colors, so just match your scarecrow to your writing as best as you can. Okay? No need to save anything in Desmos. It saves automatically, and I can see it.